Hi everyone. Tonight I'll be making flaming hot Mountain Dew biscuits. What all goes into the flaming hot Mountain Dew biscuits? 4 cups of Bisquick, 1 cup sour cream, 1 cup flaming hot Mountain Dew, 1 stick or 1/2 cup melted butter, and I'll be melting that in just a minute. So let's begin. Preheat your oven to 450. So take a bowl and mix together the 4 cups of the Bisquick, the 1 cup of the sour cream, and the 1 cup of the flaming Mountain Dew, and stir until well combined and no dry mix remains. And these will probably be a pretty orange biscuit instead of just the regular color biscuits. So it's all mixed up. There's no dry mix remains. I'll set that aside for just a second. Get a 9x13 pan and take half of that butter and pour it in your pan. And then take your dough and scoop it into scoops, about ice cream scoop size, and put it in the pan. All right, so I got 10 of them. And then pour the remaining butter on top of the biscuits. I'm just going to spoon it on. So put your Flamin' Hot Mountain Dew biscuits in a preheated 450-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. So here is the Flaming Hot Mountain Dew biscuits. Rounding out the meal is air fryer barbecue chicken and mixed vegetables. Let's see what Dave thinks.
And what am I tasting?
The Flaming Hot Mountain Dew biscuits.
Okay. I was waiting for the flaming hot to kick in, but I'm not getting any flaming hot. But they're good. I didn't get any hot from it at all, but it's a very tasty biscuit.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.